Hi there, I am Liz with Simply Delicious Baking, and in this video we are making chocolate cream cheese pound cake. Warning, this is pure bliss. Yes, it is pure bliss. It is chocolate, it is cream cheese, and it is pound cake. What more could one want, right? So folks, it's an easy recipe to whip up with just 9 simple ingredients. So let's get to baking. But first of all, I have 2 simple requests. Number 1, please like this video. Number 2, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious baking videos. Oh, and one more thing. This recipe is included in the description below. So let's get to baking chocolate cream cheese pound cake. For this easy chocolate cake, we're going to need 1 cup of butter softened, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, 3 cups of sugar, 6 eggs, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cup of self-rising flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa, a 1/4 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Now, to make the cake, you are going to grease and flour a bundt pan, or you can just spray it with baking spray. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mix your all-purpose flour, your self-rising flour, and your cocoa together in a medium bowl and set that aside. Then, in a large mixing bowl, cream your butter and your cream cheese. To that, you're going to gradually add your sugar, beating until very fluffy. Next, we're going to add our eggs one at a time. Beat each egg until the yolk is gone, and then add your next one. Then we're going to add our flour mixture alternately with our milk, mixing well after each addition. Then mix in your vanilla. Next, we're going to pour our batter into our prepared bundt pan, and we're going to bake it for an hour to an hour and 10 minutes. Do not overbake. Remove from the oven, cool for about 10 minutes, and then invert it. Voila! What a beautiful cake. Y'all, have mercy. This is so sinfully, deliciously good. Just forget the calories when you eat this. If you need an excuse to cheat, this is it. I hope you will enjoy this as much as I'm enjoying it right now. And please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious baking videos. And please leave me a comment below. Happy baking and peace, love, and pound cake.